हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग करेंगे एसएससी सीजीएल टीआर 1 का जीके जीएस का सारा क्वेश्चन टॉपिक वाइज। आप लोग सबसे ऊपर देख पा रहे होंगे, ये है टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक। तो उस टेलीग्राम चैनल में आपको इसका पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं एंशियंट हिस्ट्री से। हु वाज द रूलर ऑफ पल्लव डायनेस्टी नोन फॉर टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर इन महाबलीपुरम? महेंद्रवर्मन प्रथम। विच राष्ट्रकूट किंग बिल्ट द कालिसा टेम्पल एट इलोरा? कृष्णा प्रथम। विच epic poem in Tamil was written by Ilango Edigal? Silapattathikaram. Which play was not written by Harshavardhan? Vikramaditya. Which city was the capital of the Maitraka dynasty from 5th to 18th century CE? Balabhai. Who among the following was a Kusana king who issued gold dinars and copper coins? Vasudev Pratham. The Devangha's auxiliary disciplines linked to the study of the Vedas are many. In number is 6. नीचे जितने भी सारा क्वेश्चन होगा वहाँ में हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज में है। मिडिवल हिस्ट्री। हु वाज द रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ अकबर? टोडरमल। हु वाज द लास्ट सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली सुल्तानेट? इब्राहिम लोदी। Who devised the subsidiary alliance system? Lord Wellesley. Under whose leadership was the Chittagong armed raid conducted? Surya Sen. Who founded the Prathana Samaj in Mumbai 1867? Atmaram Panduranga. Which battle led to the defeat of Jayachandra of the Gahadabhala dynasty in 1194 AD? Battle of Chandawar. The doctrine of lapse was an annexation policy devised by which governor general? Lord Dalhousie. मॉडर्न इंडिया में आ जाते हैं। ब्रिटिश रूल एंड फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल। Which battle marked the firm beginning of British rule in India? Battle of Plassey 1757. Who founded the Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha in 1929? Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Which Governor General of British India abolished the Sati Pratha? Lord William Penking. Very important. Which art transformed the power of rule India from East India Company to British Crown? Government of India 1858. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start the peasant movement against forced indigo cultivation? Champaran. Which British viceroy was in power when Mahatma Gandhi started the Dandi March in 1930? Lord Irwin. Which event took place in February 1922 in United Province as a protest against the British? Chauri Chaura incident. When did the soldier of Meerut revolt and march to Delhi during 1857? Sepoy Mutiny 10 May 1857. Which place is associated with Gandhi's first satyagraha in 1917? Champaran. The uprising of Khurda in 1817 took place in which region? Odisha. Culture and social history. Who among the following authored the play नील दर्पण? दीनबंधु मित्र। एक क्वेश्चन लगता है हजारों बार रिपीट हुआ होगा एसएससी में। Which freedom fighter is known as देशबंधु? Chittaranjan Das. Who was the first Indian woman judge appointed to the High Court? Anna Chandi, Kerala High Court. Who was honored with the Padma Shri Award 2003 for Odissi dance? Ranjana Guhar. Which religion leader represent India at the World Parliament of Religion in Chicago 1893? स्वामी विवेकानंद। फिर से लिंक है, आप लोग यहाँ पे जाके टेलीग्राम और यूट्यूब में जुड़ सकते हैं। अब कर लेते हैं हम लोग जियोग्राफी का क्वेश्चन। फिजिकल जियोग्राफी। Which plateaus are very fertile because they are rich in black soil suitable for farming? Deccan lava plateau. Which physical feature of Indian prevent cold winds from Central Asia from entering the Indian subcontinent Himalayas? At what latitude does the easterly jet stream blow over peninsular India during summer? 14 degree north. Which of the following is the largest crustal plate on earth? Pacific plate. Which of the following lakes has the highest salinity? Lake Van. अब आते हैं इंडियन ज्योग्राफी में. रिवर एंड वाटर बॉडीज. Which transboundary river flows between India and Pakistan? Ravi. Which water harvesting system is found in Jaisalmer? Kadins. In which state of India is Kund and Tanka used for water harvesting? Rajasthan. Which Indian city has a rock inscription at Girnar? Junagadh. That the mention Sadarsana Lake, Gujarat. Mountain and plateau. Purvanchal Himalaya does not comprise which mountain range? Pir Panjal Range. Which hills are located in the Eastern Ghat? Savoy Hills. Climate and winds. In which part of the India does the hot wind blow? North and northeastern India. Which region in India receive less rainfall in summer but heavy rainfall in winter due to retreating monsoon? Eastern coastal region. Which type of climate factors does not affect the climate of a place? Type of soil. Agriculture and natural resources. Which state is not in India is the largest producer of pulses? Madhya Pradesh. According to APEDA 2020-21, which state ranks the first in grape production? Maharashtra. Which type of forest contain ebony and mahogany trees? Tropical evergreen forest. Which state in India has the largest railway track network according to Indian Railway? 2019-20, Uttar Pradesh. Human and economic geography. Which India city home to the first golf club in India? Kolkata. Which of the following is a measure of population density calculated based on net cultivated area? Physical density. Which state in India has the highest female workforce participation in rural area? According to Census 2011, Himachal Pradesh. Which part in India has been developed as satellite port? जवाहरलाल नेहरू. फिर से आ गया हम लोग का टेलीग्राम और यूट्यूब का लिंक. हेयर ऑल इकोनॉमिक्स क्वेश्चन. चलिए इकोनॉमिक क्वेश्चन करते हैं. बेसिक इकोनॉमिक कॉन्सेप्ट. व्हाट इज नेट इन्वेस्टमेंट, ग्रॉस इन्वेस्टमेंट, डिप्रिसिएशन? व्हाट इज द relationship between interest rate and demand for money? Inverse. Which type of goods require further transformation in economic process? Intermediate goods. Which function unit can represent mature economic system? Ecosystem. Banking and finance. If a bank's assets are greater than its liabilities, how is it recorded? Net worth. Which challenge does foreign investment after face in India? Inconsistent regulatory environment. Which Indian industry association works for the development of microfinance sector? Microfinance Institute Network. Government scheme and 5-year plan. Which 5-year plan primarily focused on Garibi Hatao initiative? 5th 5-year plan. In Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, what is the cost sharing ratio between the central and state government? 60-40. What is the aim of PM Ujjwala 2.2 Yojana launched in August 2021? 10 million LPG connection to beneficiaries. Which schemes ensure access to financial service such as bank account, credit, insurance, and pension for all. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Indian economic and policies. What was the actual growth rate of the first 5-year plan? 3.6%. What is the cost sharing ratio between the central and state PMAY Gramin in plain areas? 60-40. Which plan was based on the Mahalanobis model? Second 5-year plan. Employment and national income. According to census 2011, which state has the highest female workforce participation in rural area? Himachal Pradesh. What is gross value added GVA in economy? It measures the contribution of a sector to the GDP. Which Indian state had the lowest unemployment rate in 2021 among persons aged 15 years and above? Gujarat. Which category of unemployment is found in India when people are employed only for a certain period in tourism-related activities? Seasonal unemployment. Trade and market structure. Which type of trade exchange was used as a medium of exchange? Barter exchange. What is relationship between demand and supply in an open market? Inverse relation. चलिए आप करते हैं फिजिक्स का क्वेश्चन। जैसे कि आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे नीचे हिंदी में भी दिया हुआ है। मैकेनिज्म के। व्हाट इज द मोशन ऑफ ए जेवलिन थ्रो बाय एन एथलीट कॉल्ड? curvilinear motion. Which physical feature prevent the cold winds from Central Asia from entering the Indian subcontinent? Himalaya. चलिए ऑप्टिक्स से करते हैं। What is the unit of measurement for the optical powers of a lens? Diopter. Sounds and wave. How long will a sound wave take to travel 1.5 km if its frequency is 5 kHz? Its wavelength is 6 cm. 5 seconds. Electricity and magnesium. Which device required a 5A fuse to prevent short circuiting? Electric iron. Thermodynamics. Which law states that mass cannot be created or destroyed in chemical reaction? Law of conservation of mass. Nuclear of modern physics. Which type of radiation is observed by the ozone layer? Ultraviolet radiation. Which radiation has a wavelength of less than 10 to the power minus 3 nm and is produced in nuclear explosion? Gamma rays. Semiconductor in electronics. Which element is classified as a metal yet and widely used in semiconductor? Silicon. Atomic and particle physics. How thick was the gold foil used by Ernest Rutherford for his alpha scattering experiment? 100 atom thick. चलिए करते हैं केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन। बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। व्हाट इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ टर्शियरी बाल्ट अल्कोहल? 2 methyl propane 2OL. Which element is classified as a metalloid? Silicon. What is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO7 plus 6? What is the name of the functional group? COOH. Carboxyl group. Chemical reaction and thermodynamics. Which decomposition reaction is not a redox reaction? Decomposition of calcium carbonate CaCO3. What of chemical reaction occur when electricity is passed through water? Decomposition. What is the formula formed when zinc reacts and sulfuric acid? Zinc, sulfur and hydrogen gas. Who developed the theory of combustion as a chemical reaction with oxygen? Antoine Lavoisier. Organic chemistry. Which reagent is formed when alkanes react with magnesium metal? Grignard reagent. Which compound is a straight chain alkyne carboxyl acid with the chemical formula CH3 CH2 CH2 CO2H. Bitric acid. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, which catalyst is also known as the Resamond catalyst. Palladium on barium sulfur PDBaSO4. Which metal is used in the Salk polio vaccine development? Non-metal. It is an inactivated killed virus vaccine. The environment and industrial chemistry. Which gas is emit and red light when electricity is passed through it? Neon. What is sodium bicarbonate commonly used for? 5. Extinguisher acid base neutralization. Atomic and nuclear chemistry. What was Atomic Lavoisier's major contribution to chemistry in 1789? Law of conservation of mass. Which law states that energy or mass cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction? Law of conservation of mass. आप लोग टेलीग्राम में और यूट्यूब में जुड़ जाइएगा। ह्यूमन बायोलॉजी एंड फिजियोलॉजी, मतलब अब हम लोग करेंगे बायोलॉजी का। Which component of blood is responsible for oxygen transportation? Hemoglobin in red blood cells RBC. Which organelles is responsible for oxidation reaction that produce hydrogen peroxide? Peroxisome. Which condition also known as icterias causes yellowing of the skin and eyes? Jaundice. Which characteristic is not of Alps? They give birth to live young ones. Plant biology. Which plant are classified as monocotyledons? Plants with parallel venation in leaves. Which component of plant is responsible for nitrogen fixation? Rhizobium. Bacteria in root noodles. Which trees are found in tropical evergreen forest? Ebony and mahogany. Which is the world renowned bamboo flute exponent? हरिप्रसाद चौरसिया। ए स्टैटिक जीके का क्वेश्चन यहाँ आ गया। माइक्रोबायोलॉजी एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी। विच माइक्रोब्स आर यूज्ड फॉर नाइट्रोजन साइक्लिंग इन सोइल? Rhizobium, Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacteria. Which inactivities killed polio vaccines was developed in 1952? Salk vaccine. Ecology and environment. Which unit is considered the basic functional unit of nature? Ecosystem. Which practice improve the natural environment as per fundamental duties? Making composite at home. Genetic and evolution. Which rules states that mammals in colder climate have shorter ears and limbs to minimize heat loss? Allen's rule. Animal biology. Which organisms are classified as Alps bird? Which species is known as the black-lipped pearl oyster found in Indo-Pacific? Pink Tada margaritifera. How many chambers are there in heart of fish? 2. ह्यूमन में कितने रहते हैं आप लोग कमेंट में बताएंगे। ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीजेज. व्हाट आर द 5 Fs ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट डिजीजेस ट्रांसमिशन? फ्लाइज, फिंगर्स, फोमिटिस, फूड एंड फ्लूइड. सेल बायोलॉजी. विच ऑर्गेनेल्स undergoes oxidation reaction to produce hydrogen peroxide? Peroxisome. Which organelles is incorrectly matched with its function? Nucleus, lipid, metabolism. Nucleus. चलिए आप करते हैं स्टैटिक जीके का क्वेश्चन. इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनैलिटीज. हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन जज अपॉइंटेड इन हाई कोर्ट? अन्ना चंडी, केरला हाई कोर्ट. Which Indian singer wrote Rag Sarita? Chintaman Raghunath Vyas. Which tabla maestro was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2030? Ustad Zakir Hussain. Who is world renowned bamboo flute exponent? Hariprasad Chaurasia, very important. Award and honors. Which Indian singer was awarded the MS Subbu Lakshmi Award for 2019? Bhani Jairam. Who won the Bharat Ratna in 2001? Lata Mangeshkar. Very important. Very repeated question. Who was honored with the Kalidas Samman 2022? Pandit Venkatas Kumar. Who among the following won the Grammy Award 1994 for playing Mohan Bhina? Pandit Vishwa Mohan Dutt Bhatt. Books and author. Who wrote the book The Indian Struggle? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who has written the book Fearless Government, published in 2021? Kiran Bedi. Who authored the play Nil Darpan? Dinabandhu Mitra. Very repeated question. Which epic poem in Tamil Nadu was written by Ilingo Adigal? Sila Pattathikaram. Historical monument and pleasure. Which Rashtrakuta king built the Kalidas temple in Ellora? Krishna Pratham. Where is the Nitrogen Odyssey Dance institution located? Karnataka. Important day and festivals. Which festival is primarily celebrated in Uttar Pradesh? Lotmar Holi. Which festival is dedicated to the sun and his wife Usha? Chhat Puja. Which festival is associated with environment conservation and is celebrated in Uttarakhand? Harela. स्पोर्ट्स से करते हैं. इन विच ओलंपिक्स डिड गगन नारायण विन ए ब्रॉन्ज मेडल? लंदन 2012. Which team on the T20 cricket event Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2023 Mumbai? Who won the bronze medal for India in archery at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics? Harbhajan Singh. Important organization and headquarters. Where was the headquarters of the Board of Control for Cricket in India? BCCI का लोकेशन कहाँ है? मुंबई में. Which organization does the Comptroller and Auditor General CAG of India head? India Audit Accounts Department. Miscellaneous कुछ कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन. Which city was home to the Fast Golf Club in India? Kolkata. Which state has the highest female workforce participation in rural area according to Census 2021? Himachal Pradesh. Which place is associated with Gandhi's fast Satyagraha in 1971? चंपारण. इट इज़ रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन. ओके, आप लोग सभी लोग टेलीग्राम और यूट्यूब में ज्वाइन कर लेना और PDF आपको टेलीग्राम में मिल जाएगा.